Hi everyone, I'm Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most useful and easy to use Excel tools out there. For over 16 years, we've been helping people save time, reduce errors, and simplify their work by creating tools that automate everyday tasks right inside Excel. And today, I'm excited to introduce our Reverse ZIP Code Lookup tool, designed to help you convert zip codes into detailed location information directly within Excel. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs to quickly identify cities, states, and counties from zip or postal codes. Whether you're managing shipping zones, organizing customer data, or working in research, this tool gives you fast, accurate results with just a couple of clicks. And the best part? It works worldwide, supporting both U.S. zip codes and international postal codes, making it incredibly useful for global operations. Here's how it works. Just paste your list of zip code or postal codes into the tool. If you have country information, you can include that too. Especially helpful when working with global data. Once that's done, click the Calculate button, and the tool will instantly populate each code with the city, state, county, latitude, and longitude. It's really that easy. Like all our tools, this one is built entirely in Excel. No installation, no coding, no need for third-party software. You'll just need a Google Maps API key to get started, and we've included a step-by-step video guide in the description to help you set that up in minutes. With over 7,500 satisfied customers, from small businesses to large corporations, and more than 130 five-star Google reviews, we've seen just how valuable tools like this can be. Many of our users tell us they've saved hours of manual work using our Excel-based solutions, and we're constantly improving our tools based on their feedback. And if you need help, we've got your back. You can call or email us. And yes, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the brain behind Excel Distance Calculators. You can also reach out via live chat on our website. No bots, no phone trees, just real help from real people. Ready to get started? Click the download link in the description to get the Reverse ZIP Code Lookup tool. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell to stay updated with our latest tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.